So this is the Sprinter passenger van 144 with the land yacht conversion. So this is very fully customized out. As a matter of fact, let me show you just the upgraded materials on this car. And in this specific build is designed for maximum comfort. Obviously, you have very plush seats. The seats are designed for comfort. Down below, you'll see this is where you adjust the seats. It does have heated and ventilated seats, and it's got the massage seats as well. There's sound deadening insulation on just different parts of the car here. I'm going to show you just the sleek look that it has. But if you look at, it's got the upgraded TV here. And then let me just get to some of the materials on the car. So you have the Alcantara. It's again a thick layer. Microfiber interior. Here you have the leather walls that, again, just give it a luxurious look. Underneath it, again, you have sound deadening materials just to make it quieter. You have the hardwood floors here as well. And then you have an outlet, 115-volt outlet. If you need a laptop, hook it up in your car, you can still work in your car. And obviously, you got the rear vents, got the rear AC to make it comfortable for everyone in the car. And you have a little, and let me show you this. There's a little compartment here, additional storage. Again, this is a very luxurious drive feel. Here's what it feels like to be in the back of the car. And then what it's like to see, and it's a smart TV, so you could have movies or stream, basically anything on there. But again, even at the rear seats, it's very comfortable. Going up front now, again, just want to show you just how, everything's designed for comfort. The armrest is leather on the door as well. You got the leather stitching, again, just for maximum comfort on the car. And then this one does come equipped with the MBUX system, which I'll show you what that looks like. It is upgraded. You could use a voice command and talk to it. Now just go back outside here. I want to show you the steps. Or if you got little people, kids, you have two steps to get in the car. You have obviously the running boards, the step over here, and then you also have like the grab handle as well to kind of help support while you get up. Again, with it being the all-wheel drive Sprinter, it is a little higher off the ground, right? Now I want to show you the rear area. There's a rear camera that actually gives you very good visibility. Again, I'm going to show you what that looks like in a little bit. But let me go ahead and open the door. The car, again, it's a Sprinter. It's a Mercedes. Has a very solid feel. But just want to show you, how the rear area looks. Little cargo net. You also have it on the other side as well. Just so you can take a look what, cargo space you have. Very little for small bags. But those seats, you can get them out. It's not that easy. But if you're needing more cargo room, you can. And then here is, I want to show you what it's like to just, go inside the car, right? There's a little step, and I want to show you. Again, just the Sprinters have a very solid, high-quality feel. Again, you step here, you got the second step, and over here is where you have the grab handles to help you get up. I don't really need it, but, some people obviously do, so Mercedes thinks of that as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start the car up so you can see what how it looks like once everything is kind of lit up. You got the nice navigation system here. It is voice command, so you could talk to it to change the AC, change the radio, navigate you different places. Here you have the rear view camera, so it's not a mirror, it's a camera. And obviously that helps with the Sprinter. You wouldn't be able to see anything, but they do place that camera for maximum of capability to view. And here's a 360 camera. And then you have the top-down camera. Again, especially a vehicle this size, it helps if you're backing into certain areas, so you can get close, obviously, without hitting anything. So it does come in very handy. I think with the MBUX 360 camera, it is a pretty good upgrade. It is available. Again, if you're looking for a comfortable day cruiser, this would be a very good choice.